If you want to create such effect, then this tutorial is for you. First, open the program After Effects. Import your image. Create a composition. Drag your image to the timeline. Pre-compose the layer. Search for the effect shatter, apply it on the image. Then go to the Effects and Control panel, change the view to rendered, then change the shape pattern from bricks to glass or as your need in review. Create a white color solid shape according to the size of the composition. Create a mask on the shape. Then go to the Shatter Effect, open Gradient panel. Change Gradient Layer from None to Solid Layer you created just before in Source to Mask and Effect, and Shatter Threshold from 0 to 1. Then go to the Effect Shape and change the value of repetitions to 50 and Extrusion Effect to 0.05 and review. To adjust lighting, go to the Lighting panel, change the light intensity from 1 to 0.30 and ambient light to 0.80 and depth light to 0 and review it. To make pieces flay without gravity, go to the Physics panel, change gravity value to 0 and review. Go to the rotation speed from 0.20 to 0.30 and tumble axis from none to XZ. Randomness from 0.10 to 0.20 and review. Then go to the viscosity from 0.10 to 0.50 and review. Go to the Force 1 panel, set a keyframe to the radius and move it some frames forward. Go some frames back, set another keyframe and change the value to 0 and review. Now duplicate the image layer, select the layer, go to the shape, change the repetitions value from 50 to 200 and review. Then change the extrusion depth to 0. Go to the Physics panel, change the randomness from 0.20 to 0.50. And viscosity from 0.50 to 0.70 and review it. Your shatter effect is ready. Now select the solid layer and delete the mask. And make another mask to change the effect position. Now if you want to apply the effect to another image, just double-click on the pre-compose layer, import your image, drag it to the timeline, and disable the first layer and close the panel. Your effect is successfully applied. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.